guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dipshika and if you're new to my channel then hi. अगर आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हो तो please subscribe to my channel. Then we can stay connected and obviously, as you can see by the title, I am going to share this makeup look with you all. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. And one more thing, if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. चलो 50 likes कर देना. 50, only 50 likes कर देना. It feels so good, you know. अच्छा लगता है. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So first, I'll be using this toner. I've already washed my face, so first some toner. And tap tap tap. Then I'll use a moisturizer. I'm using this Johnson cream to moisturize my face. I love the smell, guys. I love the smell. So it's all prepped up. So now I'll start my makeup. So first I'll be using this Blue Heaven matte primer. It's Studio Perfection primer. It's quite good. So now for foundation, I am using this Lakme 925 primer plus matte perfect cover foundation. I'll take a good amount of this foundation and then I'll start blending. I'm using a damp blender to blend my foundation. You should not forget your neck area because it's very important. So for concealer, I'm using this Wet n Wild makeup stick. So I'll use it under my eyes, my bridge of my nose, cupid bow, here because I have some discoloration, and here also. And now it's time to blend. I know I'm looking funny, but I will fix it. I am using a Chutku sa blender to blend my concealer. I'll move on to my next step, which is a compact. This is a Maybelline New York compact. I'll use it under my eyes. Now for my eyebrows, I'll be using this eyebrow kit. This is from Swiss Beauty and I love it. This side is done. Eyebrows are done. So now I'll move on to my eyes. I'll start with a basic nude color. I am using this nude shade to create a depth on my crease. This is a pink shade I am using right now cause I am wearing a pink kurta. Now I'll use my concealer on my eyelid. Yeah. See? It's done. Now I'll add some shimmer cause it's Diwali. Shimmer to hona chahiye. And I'll just press it to my eyelid. I am using a pink shimmer on my lid. See? देखिए, it's almost done. Now it's time for eyeliner, and I'm using this Swiss Beauty Pro eyeliner. For kajal, I'm using this Nykaa Rock the Line kajal. Usually I don't really use kajal that much, but it's Diwali time and it has to be extra. That's why. Now I'll just quickly blend it. I'll take a brown eyeshadow to just blend it nicely. See? And if you want to go extra, you can use a blue, cause I'm wearing a nice blue color. That's why you can just grab a blue and blend it with the kajal. It's done. For mascara, I'm using this Flormar. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly or not. It's a Flormar Spider Lash Mascara. Can you see the difference? I am in love with this mascara. Eyes are done. Now I'll quickly contour my face, and for that I'm using this sugar bronzer to just quickly contour my face. I'm using this same shade to just contour my nose. Just see the difference. For blush, I am using this same brand, Flormar. This is a very coral pink kind of a shade. I'll just take a very small amount. And to highlight my face, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome. We all know that it's a very good highlighter. I'll just take a मुझे ना हाइलाइटर लगाना हाथ से ही सही लगता है. I just use my fingers to apply highlighter cause I feel brush से नहीं होता अच्छे से. I don't know, it's my personal opinion. I am using this छोटू सा applicator which comes with every highlighter. I'm using that. I use that only to highlight my brow bone. It's very convenient. Highlighting is done, and now finally I'm moving on to the last exciting part, which is lipstick. I am using this MAC bullet lipstick in the shade Russian Red. See, it's a classic red. It's looking little too much, and I should balance it with a nude color, so I'm using this nude lip crayon from Bella Boste. So my makeup is done. I'll complete this look with these झुमकास cause एथनिक पहन रहे हो और झुमका नहीं पहना तो it feels incomplete. You can add a bindi if you want to. And guys, this is the final look. So guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot, and please like this video, share it with your friends. Please 50 likes kar dena, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, tata, stay safe and happy Diwali.